is Isabel Wan, and I'm from Houston, Texas. Lived in Houston all 19 years of my life, which is me and my parents. And on the left is a picture of me and my best friend from our high school graduation. I major in education with a classification in secondary math. It's basically math major. I'm a sophomore this year. I have many hobbies and interests, and these are just a couple of mine. I really like skateboarding. I think skateboarding is really cool to watch. Even though I'm not good at it, I do really enjoy watching people skate. I also really like drawing. These are just a couple of drawings that I've done. I do a lot of realism, scenery kind of type. And I also really, really like food. Big foodie. Eat pretty much anything you give me. So yeah, this is me. Thanks for watching.